Hi everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making egg rolls. It's really easy and they are delicious. So let's get started. In a pan you're going to need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, I'm going to get that heating up. Just set your oil to the side because you're going to need it for frying later. You're going to need 3/4 of a pound of ground pork. Just put it in your oil. And now we're going to cook this till it's cooked through, nice and brown. Once your pork is done, you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced fresh ginger. And we're going to just cook this for about 60 seconds just till it gets fragrant. Alright, then you're going to take coleslaw mix. If you want, you can cut up your own cabbage and carrots. It's up to you. I just find this easier. You're going to put in 3 cups. I'm just adding a whole bag. You're going to add 1/4 cup of chopped green onion. And then you're just going to let this cook until the coleslaw becomes soft. Once your cabbage is nice and wilted, you want to leave a little bit of a crunch. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And you're going to shut off your heat and you're going to mix that. Once it's mixed, we'll move on to making the actual egg roll. Alright, now we're moving on to our egg rolls. You're going to need egg roll wrappers. You find these in the produce section in the refrigerator by like the broccoli and all that. They're really easy to find. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your wrapper, and I'm going to make mine all before I start to cook just so I can just go ahead and cook them and not have to keep stopping. Now they do kind of stick together, so make sure you only get one. There we go. Okay. Alright. What I do is I put it like a diagonal, kind of like that. And this is like a tablespoon. I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons right into the middle. Leave the edges open. Jack tried this and said it's really, really good. Alright. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 beaten egg and you're just going to lightly brush the sides. The edges actually. This is going to help it stick together so they don't open when you fry them. And then you're going to start at the bottom, roll it in, take the sides, roll them in, and then just take your hands and roll towards the top. And that's all you have to do. It's really easy. Alright, so I have my electric skillet here. I love to fry in this because you can control the temperature really easy. I have it at 350. If you don't have one of these, you can just use a pan. What you're going to do is you're going to gently put in your egg rolls and you're going to brown them on all the sides till they're nice and crunchy. And don't overcrowd your pan.
Don't burn your fingers.
Nope. So I put them in with this. I'm going to put probably 4 in at a time. And I'm just going to let them cook until they're nice and golden brown. Keep turning them, okay? Once I get brown, turn them. Altogether it should be about 3 to 4 minutes. in the meantime, have a tray ready with a cooling rack and some paper towels so that it drains through. You could just set them on paper towel, but they might get a little bit mushy on the bottom if they sit in that oil for too long. Alright, I'm just finishing up. Jack says they taste delicious. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my frying pan to the side and we'll move on to the sauce. Alright, now we're moving on to the sweet and sour sauce. You're going to put 3/4 cup of granulated sugar in here and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. You get that in the Asian aisle.
Or the domestic or international food aisle.
Okay. Then you need 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Okay, then what you need to do is you need 2/3 cup of water, and then you're going to take pineapple juice and you're going to put that up to the 3/4 mark. Okay, just pour that in, and all you're going to do is cook this until it's nice and thick. Cook it on kind of low heat because it's all sugary and it will burn. Alright, make sure you are constantly stirring this and keep an eye on it. It thickens really quick. As soon as it starts to bubble, it will thicken quick, okay? So I'm just going to spoon some into our little cup here. And there you go. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.